English conversation practice. Desserts are very hot, right?
Yes, during the day. But they can be cold at night.
I heard it's easy to get lost there.
True. Sand dunes look the same. It's hard to find a path.
What if someone gets lost? What should they do?
First, don't panic. Stay calm. Save your energy.
What about water? Deserts don't have much water.
That's right. Always carry water with you. Drink small sips often.
And if the water runs out?
Try to find a cactus. They store water inside.
Oh, like a natural water bottle.
Yes, but be careful. Some can hurt you.
What about food? Is there food in the desert?
Not much. But there are some plants and animals.
So, can someone eat them?
Maybe. But you have to know what you're safe. Some can be poisonous.
That sounds scary. How can people stay cool?
Stay in the shade during the day. Wear light clothes and a hat.
And at night?
Nights are cold. So, find shelter and wear warm clothes.
What if there's a sandstorm?
Find shelter quickly. Cover your face. Protect your ears and mouth.
How long can people live without water in a desert?
Maybe 3 days. But it's hard. Always look for water.
I hope I never get lost in a desert.
It's always good to be prepared. Learn before you go.
How can I learn more?
Read books. Watch videos. Talk to people who know.
Are there people who live in the desert?
Yes, many people. They have learned to live there.
They must be very strong.
They are. And they know the desert well.
I think deserts are beautiful. But also dangerous.
Yes, they are. But with knowledge, people can stay safe.
I want to visit a desert one day.
That's great. Just be prepared and take a guide.
A guide? Why?
They know the desert. They can show you the way.
That sounds good. I want to see a desert sunset.
It's very beautiful. The sky is full of colors.
I have seen pictures. But I want to see it for real.
I hope you do. Just remember to be safe.
I will. Thanks for the advice.
You are welcome. Deserts are amazing. But always respect them.
I understand. They are nature's wonders.
Yes, and they teach us about survival and strength.
I have learned a lot today.
Me too. It's good to share knowledge.